Today we're taking a closer look at the junk drawer. Ours is in the kitchen, just next to the silverware drawer.
So when you look at our junk drawer, which you'll find in the kitchen, at the very end of the cabinets next to the utensil or silverware drawer, you'll find those go-to items that are very handy to have when you're not sure you need them. For us, we've got an emergency blanket to the far left. Next to that, we've got some pens, markers, and highlighters. Those pens and markers come in really handy if we're doing homework at the table or I'm making a quick note in my planner before I head out the door at the countertop. Those are great there. Next to that, you'll see we've got some lighters, matches, a flashlight, some candles. We use a lot of these to light bigger candles, to take outside to have our fire pit, or just anything like that. We used to have a gas burner, so that came in handy as well. Behind that, you'll see that we have a cut and paste option. One container is dedicated to tape, glue, super glue, any sort of adhesive item. And next to that, we have scissors and like an envelope cutter. So either a paper cutter, kid scissors, and adult scissors. The last couple things you'll find in the drawer are a roll of trash bags. This is directly across from our kitchen trash can, so this is very handy and easy to just swap out the bags. And then lastly, I have some repurposed socks that I use as cup holders. So any travel mugs or heatable glasses, we actually just slip these socks over, and then it's like a protector around the cup so we don't burn our hands or anything like that. It's great when we have coffee and hot cocoa on the go.
If you found today's video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe, thumbs up, and the jingle bell so you stay up to date on all our tips and tricks. Until next time, stay hopeful.